I'm Chef George Wong from Chopstick Restaurant at Shipshead Bay, Brooklyn. Today I would please like to show you how to do a stir-fry beef and broccoli. I have in here is about a pound of broccoli floret. I cut them up into a bite size, about this size. A quarter pound of sliced French sticks. I marinate them with oil, cornstarch, a little bit salt and pepper. I have sliced garlic, about 1 piece of sliced garlic, about 1 teaspoon of julienne ginger, about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch mixed with cold water as our slurry, and about a cup of chicken stock. And let's get cooking.